कुन्दविराजमानदन्ते नलिनाभं प्रणमाम्यहं पदन्ते. On the occasion of the seventh night, the Saptami, goddess Kalaratri is worshipped. Her name in Sanskrit is a combination of two words. Kala means death or time, and Ratri means night or darkness. Thus, Kalaratri means one who brings the death of darkness. Goddess Kalaratri, known to be the fiercest form of Goddess Durga, rides a donkey and has dark complexion and long untied hair. She is depicted wearing a garland of skulls around her neck. Drenched in blood, she holds a thunderbolt and a short sword in two of her hands, while the other two hands are in Abhaya and Varadamudra positions. Goddess Kalaratri is widely regarded as one of the many destructive forms of Goddess Parvati, which includes Kali, Mahakali, Bhadrakali, Bhairavi, Chamunda, Chandi, and Durga. The story behind Kalaratri. Legend has it that demons Shumba and Nishumbha defeated the gods with the help of Chanda, Munda, and Raktabij and began to rule the three worlds. Indra and other gods prayed to Goddess Parvati, and she created the Goddess Chandi to kill them. While Goddess Chandi killed the other demons, she was unable to defeat Chanda, Munda, and Raktabij. It is said that it was then she created Ma Kalaratri from her forehead. Goddess Kalaratri killed Chanda and Munda but found it tricky to defeat Raktabij, as because of a boon from Lord Brahma that every drop of his blood that falls on the ground would create another clone of him. Undeterred by this, Ma Kalaratri started drinking the blood of each clone of Raktabij and then came to a point when she was eventually able to kill him. What are the significances of worshipping Goddess Kalaratri? The goddess, being the vanquisher of all fear and negative forces, protects her devotees against the evil influence of demons. She is believed to be benevolent in fulfilling all their wishes, because of which she is also known as Shubhankari. She removes obstacles and sorrows. Her abode is in the crown chakra. The crown chakra, otherwise called as the Sahasrara, is located at the top of your head. Sahasrara means 1,000-petaled lotus. It should not be understood literally as 1,000 petals of lotus, but rather as thousands of petals, meaning innumerable. This chakra is all about the spiritual connection and transformation. Yogis who are in deep state of samadhi have their energies at this center. This is a state where even the sense of self is absent. When you activate the crown chakra, you feel calm and peaceful, even under pressure, make sound and discerning decisions, and feel deeply connected to all living beings. The color for day 7 is royal blue. Best known for its dignified status, the royal blue color represents superiority and symbolizes immense power and divine energy. The flower for day 7 is passion flower. Passion flower has sedative, calming, and hypnotic effects that describes the nature of the flower. We could also offer jasmine and hibiscus, being the other favorite flowers of Goddess Kalaratri. Now let us chant the mantra. Om Devi Kalaratriyai Namaha. The corresponding Dhyana shloka is Vama Padolasat Lohalata Kantaka Bhushana Vardhana Murtaja Krishna Kalaratrir Bhayankari. The meaning is, the ferocious Kalaratri, who is of a dark complexion, whose body is adorned with thorns and metal ornaments, is born out of an evolved mind.
वामपादोलसल्लूहा लताकण्टकभूषणा वर्धनमूर्धध्वजा कृष्णा कालरात्रि भयङ्करी वामपादोलसल्लूहा लताकण्टकभूषणा वर्धनमूर्धध्वजा कृष्णा काल